Hello, my name is Arlet Bold, and I am going to present FFQR-9, incorporating the FFQItem class diagram logic into the backend service. The purpose of the sprint was to implement this logic in the class diagram from the previous story, FFQR-6, into the backend service with the REST API. So I implemented all of these attributes that represent a food item: food types, measurements, nutrients, serving options, and sugar settings. This is how we're going to be able to bring all of these items into the questionnaire page, and later on how we're going to calculate the counts of different nutrients. So I'm going to demonstrate some of the API calls from Postman. First, we want to bring a list of all the items in the database currently. And these are items right now. And also just look for one specific item. So we want pizza, then we can just pass it. And we get information for that. If I wanted to delete it, then I just pass it as the name parameter. And that record shouldn't be there anymore. Now let's try to create an item. And let's try to create melon. Here we see melon with all of the nested types. If I wanted to update melon, then I would do update and change some of the attributes. So let's put 14 here and 16. Of course, right now these are just testing values, and they're not really the true values of these items. So let's check melon again. And in the servings, we see 14 ounces and 16 ounces. Now let's try to create multiple items in the same API call. So we will have the create many call and pass it a few items. So here we see we created coconut, hot cereal, and coconut. Now if I were to try to create an item with the name coconut, it's not going to allow me. And it will tell me that a record with that name already exists. Also, there's a few things that we should check to make sure that this data is consistent. So if I'll try to create an item with the name pear, and as a serving name I pass 4 ounces, but in the measurement values I pass an 8 instead of a 4, it's going to tell me that the serving name and the measurement number don't match. This is the same with the unit. The unit also needs to match for the nutrients, it needs to match the way that that nutrient is measured. Oh, thank you very much for listening.